Sundays in Berlin can be very tranquil. Most places are closed and there may not be a lot of activities to do in the day. Nevertheless, I found some things to do in Berlin on a Sunday, which I think you might enjoy if you visit Berlin and you end up here on the weekend. First, I went to church with my host family. I went to Meyer Park, which is usually really active on the weekends, especially on a Sunday. But first I went to a display of the Berlin Wall where you could see really in-depth details about the history when the wall was formed and many people that were affected and how they were. It's really interesting to see, and you can spend hours there if you choose. Just looking around at the different memorials that they had, they also explained the history of the wall, why it was erected, how people attempted to escape, and what the conditions were like at that time. So it's really interesting to see, and you can also see some of the graffiti on the wall, well, the remains actually. But yeah, it's winter time and it's windy today. Yesterday was really nice. Today not so much, but it's not as bad, so I can still walk around and be okay. So within Meyer Park, first I stopped at the flea market, which I've heard so much about. So I'm trekking through the flea market right now. It's raining and it's muddy and not really sure how much fun I'm having, but it's cool to just look around and see people just looking at things and the different things that are on sale. However, I'm not so keen on buying anything here because the prices are like high. It's really expensive. Usually when I think of flea market, I'm like, oh, things at discounted prices, but maybe not. Maybe it's just different here. Maybe it's a novelty of it being a flea market that's really popular that makes people like want to buy. So because of the demand, the prices are higher. Yeah. The flea market is really large and I was warned, so I couldn't go through everything at that time. So I decided to go on top of the hill and look across at the city and then have a look at the graffiti that's also there on the wall. I got to see some live graffiti being done, which was interesting. And then Mayura Park is usually well known for free karaokes that are done. There wasn't really a karaoke being done today, but I did get to see some live performances, which was nice to see. So close to all this is the hip strip, and on the hip strip you can see different restaurants, and it's just nice to walk along and see the different decor. Maybe there are some stores there as well. The thing is that it was raining, so I really wanted to get inside soon, but it was really nice to just see before it started raining really hard. trip, so I'm looking forward to having my Italian pizza and German beer. If you're here on a Sunday, I hope this video gives you tips as to what to do. And I hope to see you soon. Have a great day. Really nice. I can see why people enjoy coming here. Where the heck do I go?